Hey guys, it is, just let me get out of here without smashing anyone. It is Thursday afternoon. I've just finished work and it's my rostered day off tomorrow. Oh my god, this like 4:30 on a Thursday afternoon every fortnight is the best feeling in the world. It's my 3-day weekend. Oh my god, I'm just, really needed it. Oh god, you guys are really bumpy today. What's going on? So it's a Thursday night, which here in Australia is still late night shopping. The shops are open like later on a Thursday. So I thought I would take you to Settlement City with me because, to be honest, I mean, both the kids are sorted as far as their main presents, but I haven't got them really anything. Like, yeah, I've got a couple of things for Jamie that has come through eBay, and I got a couple of things for Jessie, but yeah, just wanted to get a couple of, you know, little stocking stuffer type things, nothing like fancy, mainly like underwear, socks, it's stuff that they need. So yeah, I thought I'd take you to Settlement City because I'm going to go to Big W, Bed Bath and Table, maybe the Reject Shop, all of those sort of shops that I always go to that I show you guys in my hauls. And yeah, and then after that Kmart, because Kmart's open the latest, so I'll go to that last. And God, I'm sorry that you're sliding around. I have to fix my little attachment when I stop. So yeah, I thought I'd take you to Settlement City with me, do a little bit of a shop with me, and oh God, you guys are moving everywhere. Also because I've had a few, I think I got a couple of $100 on my Flybuys points, so I've loaded those onto my Flybuys card, so I can, yeah, it's free money basically. Free money to spend. I think I've got about $400 on there now, so that will definitely see me do a nice little haul in Kmart and Target. I might even go to Target as well. Now, I mean, for you guys in America, the Target I might take you to today will be nothing like the Target you guys are used to. For one, the Target here is actually way smaller than normal Targets in like Sydney Metro anyway, but yeah, even our big metro stores there, I think they're nowhere near as good as the Targets that you guys have, so don't expect anything flash or fancy because yeah, they're not that great, but I'll at least take you through and do a little bit of a shop with me before I head home today. Oh, that was a good spot. Looks like she was minding it. I don't think you're allowed to do that. You can't stand in a car parking spot and mind it, can you? Nah, it's Christmas, I don't care. Let her mind it. I got one here anyway. The good thing about Port Macquarie, it's never that busy compared to Metro, like, you know, compared to the city. I think people living here think it's busy, but it's really not. I love it. So just finished doing some damage in Big W, and where else did I go? Big W, mainly at Big W. I went to the reject shop. I only just bought a little lantern, and yeah, I tried to get some footage of Bed Bath and Table, or what's it called? Bed Bath and Table. But it's such a small shop, and they've got like about 5 bloody sales girls wandering around, and I don't know, I just felt like, I feel really weird getting the camera out when I'm by myself. So I had to sort of like pretend as if I'm just like holding my phone close to my body. So I don't know how the footage is going to be, but oh well. We'll see. I was just pretending to, like, you know, just hold it here like as if I'm, you know, waiting for a phone call or something. But yeah, I don't know if any of it turned out, but geez, they've got some pretty stuff in there. And it's all 30% off at the moment. I'm going to actually hold off until the after Christmas sales, when it's normally like 50 to 75% off. So let's head to Kmart now and see what mischief we can get up to in there.
Wiped down the kitchen table this morning, and
yeah, well, it was
again.
It was immaculate. Oh, it was immaculate. Nah, I'm not putting up with that. Kids, come out here.
They're kidding, are they?
Like, because I'm sure that's, is that from no, that can't be from yesterday. I've cleaned it all up. I'm sure I cleaned everything, didn't I? Yesterday, yeah. Okay, kids, come out here, please. Both of you. Now, who's had all them dishes? Like, seriously, like I was up until friggin' 11:30 last night, and I cleaned the whole kitchen. The whole kitchen. There wasn't a single pot or pan or dish anywhere. Whose is it all? Is it all yours, or is it Jessie's as well?
Honestly, Jessie's as well.
All right, well, you just put yours away. She can do all hers. Who's had the vacuum cleaner out? So why doesn't it get put away where it belongs? No, I don't understand. Tell me why. What did you actually have to vacuum? So what time is it now? About 8 o'clock.
Oh, it's done.
So it's 8 o'clock. I finished yelling. And apparently now, while I'm still outraged, I have to cut bacon.
Yeah. How much you got there? Yeah, oh shit, that's heaps, yeah.
Okay.
I'm not going to do it now. Chuck it in.
What is this actually? Is this going to be
Yeah.
a chili mince or a, what sort of mince?
Pork,
and mince.
bacon and beef. And onion once you've chopped it up. Before you put all that away.
Well, I'm going to make myself a cup of tea. I cut the video off because pretty much after that was when all the yelling and screaming happened. I just lost my shit. I've just absolutely lost my shit. And I pretty much haven't stopped yelling for the last hour or so. Because the kids are just impossible. They just do not clean up after themselves. They just think everyone around them is a servant for them to just leave their crap everywhere and someone else will clean it. So yeah, it was a big screaming match for about half an hour, and they've pretty much now lost all their technology. We've taken their phones, all their computers, their PlayStations, their whatever they bloody have that distracts them, and taken that all away. And now they're going to spend a whole week doing all the house chores that I normally do every single day, just so they know how it feels and how much work it actually is. Because no matter how much we yell, no matter how much we tell them, it's just not getting through. Nothing's getting through to them. They just keep doing the same shit every single day. So I said, right, all your technology's gone, and in place of that, you're going to be spending those hours doing all the housework. I'm not going to lift a finger next week. They're going to do everything. They're going to clean the toilets. They're going to do all the washing. They're going to be mopping floors, vacuuming, cleaning up after dinner, the whole lot. Maybe then they might appreciate how much work it takes to keep the house clean, and they might actually appreciate how much work goes into it. So it might sink in that, you know, they need to clean up their mess. I doubt it will, but until it does, that's what's going to be happening. So I had a whole thing in mind of what I wanted to film. Like I was going to film a nice family dinner, but really I just didn't feel like talking to the family. Well, not the family, but mainly the kids. I just didn't really feel like talking to them after screaming for about an hour. And yeah, so I think I'm just going to make a cup of tea now. I'll open my advent calendar while we're waiting for the tea to brew, and I'll finish the video on that. And I was going to film a little bit and show you guys what I actually bought today, but I might do that tomorrow because I'm home all day tomorrow. I don't have any housework that I need to do because the kids will be doing it. So I'll have plenty of time to do a little show you what I bought. So, all right, guys, so we're on day 6, which is here. All right, so day 6 says, Throwback Thursday. Post a photo of your wildest adventure. Wow. All right, what did we get for day 6? A coconut bubble bath. I don't think I've ever seen these at the Body Shop before. Oh, it's very coconutty. I'd say it's like a little bath bomb or a bath fizz. So that's nice. I'll leave that one out. Let's put him back. I have no idea which way we're supposed to be going, but we'll just put him in back that way. And if that's not bad enough, the kids being little assholes, we've got no milk to put in my tea. So it's either have no tea, have a black tea, or put some disgusting powdered milk in it. I'm going to go for the powdered milk option because I don't like black tea. But Jesus, what a way to end the day. I had such a good day shopping and, you know, buying a few things, and to come home to this shit. So it's not been a great Vlogmas day today, but it will definitely be better tomorrow. Everyone's at school, everyone's at work. I've got the whole house to myself. It'll be a whole day of leisure because I'm not lifting a finger. And yeah, I'll take you guys for the ride. As you can see, I need to dye my hair, so I'll be doing that. I've got a few videos to film for you guys. So yeah, be a good day tomorrow. So looking forward to it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.